Greetings everyone, my name is Grace and welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're going to be making a coffee drink that is extremely popular. It's been blasted all over the internet. I personally am a little late to the party, but I'm here. And so I'm gonna teach you or show you guys a simple recipe that I've created and a way you can make it a little more whipped if you don't get it as whipped as you'd like the recipe to be. So let's jump into the ingredient list. You can use instant coffee. This is like $1 at Target, the Cafe Bustelo. I imagine these would be a little bit more strong. So I'm gonna use the Folgers instant coffee today. A little bit of cinnamon, some good hot water, some sugar. I'm gonna use almond milk as my milk inside my drink. And then I'm gonna show you a little trick with the whipped cream. And yeah, so let's get started. You're gonna put all your instant coffee inside your bowl. I usually use 2 of these little packets. Get those out of the way. And then you're gonna take your teaspoon of sugar. Obviously, you can change that based on your needs as well. You're gonna add 2 teaspoons of hot water. I'm gonna add a tad of cinnamon in mine. And you're literally just going to start whipping. If you had an electric mixer, you could definitely use it. This gets a little noisy. A little bit of a workout for your forearms. And you're just gonna keep on whipping it. You're literally gonna whip it for you're gonna have to whip it for about 2 minutes or more until you start seeing the consistency that you want. Okay, so mine is getting a little bit more frothy and whipping up, but a trick that I use, and it just is really good flavor, I use the Cocoa Whip whipped cream, but I used Cool Whip last time, so you can really use whatever you'd like. And what I do is I add a little dollop, or 2. And this is gonna make it nice and frothy, sweeten it up a little bit, and then you actually don't have to work out so hard, right? So we are, look at that color. So if you want a little shortcut after whipping it up for a couple of minutes, add some Cool Whip or some Cocoa Whip or whatever your preference is. All right, now I'm gonna set that to the side for just a minute. I'm gonna grab my glass. I'm gonna add some ice in. I'm gonna add my almond milk. You could also use coffee creamer, any of the flavored coffee creamers. You can use the coconut creamer. The possibilities are literally endless. You're gonna wanna give yourself a little, maybe halfway to the top. And I'm going to whip the last bit of this on top. Kind of a bad angle, sorry about that. Get that on top there. This is a little messy today. And then I'm going to grab just a tad bit more of that whipped cream. And I'm gonna plop that on top. It looks so pretty. Totally optional, but you can add a little bit of whipped cream, or I'm sorry, a little bit of chocolate syrup, because I like the extra sweets, right? All right, so we are all done with the Dalgona whipped coffee, and I have put a straw in mine and I've just whipped it up a little bit and stirred it together so it tastes really yummy. And it is a little bit strong sometimes, so I do recommend stirring it. And I want to just know if you guys have tried this. What have you changed up on the recipe? What do you like about it? And yeah, let me know in the comments. And what I'm thinking is that next time I might add like a half a scoop of ice cream and kind of let that melt. But I really enjoy sweets, so I'm thinking of some ways to change it up. Let me know what you all think. Have a wonderful day. Bye.